Woohoo! Hey everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Owen Fox from Ireland, and it's my pleasure to be here today. So in this video I want to say that we can make our energy more powerful than others in a good way, not a bad way. So like, let's say someone is really negative or grumpy or controlling or serious in their beliefs and they're telling us stuff. We don't have to like shrink. We don't have to like go small. Like, we don't have to be overly big and like come out like all fighting with someone else's different opinion either. We don't have to be in our ego. We can rise to be powerful in our energy, more like our higher self, confident, sure, feeling our feelings, or we can sometimes just retreat, like take a break, relax, get out of someone's energy. But at the end of the day, we don't have to be overpowered by someone else's like bad energy, basically speaking. We don't have to let other people get us down. Like, we have a choice, and we can practice this in our lives daily, of choosing our own feelings, choosing our vibration as much as we can, you know. I'm not saying we can always do it. I'm not saying we're a failure if we don't do it or we can't do it. Because like I said, there's a time to just take a step back, retreat, find a quiet place, go have a shower, a bath, a nature walk, or meditate, or be in quietness, or anything like that, or watch something funny or something like that, you know, anything like that. But often other times when we're feeling more or less okay, we can choose. We don't have to be the victim of circumstances as much as we're led on to believe, or other people's energy, or other people's moods. We don't have to. And in the past now, I would blame people for putting me in a bad mood because they were in a bad mood first, or they got triggered first and I got triggered second, but I blame them because they're the ones who initiated it. But now I don't do that anymore, really. You know, I don't really do that at all. I basically just take a step back if I need to, and if I don't need to, I just like recoup. I switch the switch, and I say, okay, make sure I think carefully, speak carefully, and don't make the situation much worse. Don't have to react too much, and if I do, that's okay. React a little bit and take a step back, and hopefully they don't react too much. I can take a step back if possible, which my partner does these days. But even with strangers, like let's say people like are all like serious and ego talking about the world situation, like we don't have to try and pump them up positivity, but we don't have to shrink and be like all like fitting into normal talk either. Like, I don't fit into normal talk, BS and lies. I usually just say something, typically, you know. Not always, it depends if there's other people around or children around. Like, I'm not trying to create a big scene. So common sense and wisdom plays its part too. These are just sort of like for driving, kind of pretty cool, eh? They help accentuate light. Pretty cool. Nighttime or daytime. So that's all I want to say. Wish you a beautiful day. Be the light, powerful force that you are, and shine your light. Be sensible and wise. Look after yourself. This video is also about self-care and self-love, looking after yourself. And yeah, with a sense of balance, wisdom, experience, and self-care and self-love, we can also, that can help rejuvenate us and keep us from burning out, and it can keep us recharging faster and kind of not having blow-ups in our life, and also to avoid blow-ups and funny weird vibes and disconnections with other people too, where there's like ego battles, like resistance and fighting and struggling with each other, if you know what I'm saying. So that's all I want to say, because I want to help empower you to be more in control of your own emotions, basically, and being more particular and choicey with your own thoughts, to go down the upward path instead of the slippery downward slope, which I've been down obviously millions of times, and so have you, I'm sure. So yeah, that's all I really want to say. Better go, lots of love. I'm going to go into nature now, so check out my links for any coaching, my upcoming books, my herb store discounts, 20% off first time customers, and otherwise 10% off existing. The links are in the video. And to befriend me, that's cool, I'd love to befriend you. And to connect or collaborate, work together, love that too. Other than that, just become friends on social media. Check me out on Instagram, Odyssey, Facebook, and Telegram. And I look forward to hearing from you. Other than that, have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching very much. Thanks for your time and attention.